In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Facebook without an email or phone number. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video so you can stay updated with all our other helpful tutorials. Alright, let's dive right in. This process can be a lifesaver if you find yourself locked out of your Facebook account, particularly if you've changed your phone number or email address and can't remember the password. So let's get started. First, you want to open any web browser on your computer or phone and navigate to Facebook's website. Simply type in facebook.com into the address bar and hit enter. Once the page loads, you'll see the standard login fields asking for your email or phone number and password. But today's goal is to find a way around that. Look for the Forgot Password link located under the login fields. Clicking this will take you to a recovery page where Facebook will try to help you regain access to your account. So go ahead and click it. Now you'll see a prompt asking you for your email or phone number attached to the account. Instead, you're going to type in your Facebook username or the name that you used to create your account. Remember, it needs to be an exact match for Facebook to recognize it. Once you have entered your name or username, click on the Continue button. At this stage, Facebook is doing its magic behind the scenes, collecting accounts that match the username or name you've provided. It may take a second or two, but don't worry, just be patient. You should be presented with a list of accounts that closely match your search. Look for your account in that list and select it. Here's where things can get a little tricky. If you can't remember the email or the phone number associated with your account, you'll need to click No longer have access to these. This link typically prompts a series of questions to help verify your identity, particularly if you don't have access to the recovery options they present. Once you click it, Facebook will ask how you want to proceed. If you don't have any access to your old email or phone, don't panic. Follow the prompts to confirm your identity. This may include answering security questions or identifying friends and photos, but it can vary. After you confirm your identity, Facebook could allow you to choose another recovery method. Keep an eye here. In some cases, if you've previously logged in from other devices like tablets or laptops, you may still have the option to regain access through those. When you have selected a new recovery method, follow the instructions provided. If they send a one-time password and OTP to your backup email or another method, make sure to check that location promptly. Once you receive it, type the OTP into the provided field on the Facebook page and then click Continue. After entering the correct OTP, if everything is done right, Facebook should guide you through the final steps to either reset your password or securely log into your account. Just follow the prompts carefully and make sure you choose a password that is strong yet memorable. And there you have it. You can successfully log into your Facebook account without needing access to an email or phone number. It might take a little time, but patience in following these steps will get you back in touch with your Facebook friends in no time. If you learned something new today, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your Facebook logins.